everyone, welcome. As a student of Dheerajlal Gandhi College of Technology, today I am going to overview about the coronavirus disease 2019 COVID-19. The general idea, symptoms, when to see doctor, causes and precautions of COVID-19 disease. Coronaviruses (CoV) are a large family of virus that causes illness ranging from the common cold to more severe diseases such as Middle East Respiratory Syndrome (MERS CoV) and Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome (SARS CoV). A novel coronavirus nCoV is a new strain that has been previously identified in humans, especially in older people and those with pre-existing medical conditions, appears to be more vulnerable. COVID-19 is the infectious disease caused by the recently discovered coronavirus. This new virus and disease were unknown before the outbreak began in Wuhan, China in December 2019. COVID-19 is now a pandemic affecting many countries globally. Signs and symptoms may appear for 2 to 14 days after exposure. Now, the most common symptoms are fever, dry cough, difficulty in breathing, or shortness of breath. Other conditions may increase the risk of illness from COVID-19 include heart diseases, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease (COPD), chronic lung disease such as cystic fibrosis, asthma, type 1 type 2 diabetics, high blood pressure, weakened immune system. If symptoms such as mild cough or fever is identified, just stay at home, self-isolate for 2 weeks. If still the symptoms are persisting, contact doctor or clinic right away for medical advice. During emergency, COVID-19 signs such as breathing trouble, inability to stay awake, chest pain or pressure, blue lips or face, immediately seek doctor for help. The virus appears to spread easily among person to person among those in close contact. The virus spreads by respiratory droplets released when someone with the virus coughs, sneezes, or talk. These droplets can be inhaled or land in the mouth or nose of a person nearby. It can also be spread if a person touches the surface with the virus and touches his or her mouth, nose, eyes, and thus the foreign particle enters into the body. Although there is no vaccine available to prevent COVID-19 but can reduce the infection, WHO and CDC recommend the following precautions for avoiding COVID-19. Stay home as much as possible and keep distance between yourself and others within about 6 feet or 2 meters. Wash hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds and use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% of alcohol. Cover face with a cloth face mask while going out. Cover mouth and nose with elbow or a tissue while coughing or sneezing. Throw away the used tissue and wash the hands right away. Avoid touching eyes, nose and mouth often. Daily clean and disinfect high-touch surfaces such as doorknobs, light switches, electronic gadgets. Try to make some general works using left hand like opening door, taking books, etc. Drinking Nilavembu or Kabasurani Kashayam in empty stomach helps to boost up the immune system to fight against COVID-19. Finally, let's all follow up the precaution steps and bring more awareness among the people, and let's win the battle against COVID-19 and make COVID-19 free world. Thank you. Thanks for watching.